Are you struggling to find the optimal solution for treating compromised fresh extraction sockets? Are you tired of delaying the treatment of these sockets? Does the delay way consume longer treating time, extra cost, less optimal treatment outcome at the end? Do you want to treat fresh extraction sockets with an unmatched treatment outcome? Do you want to boost your patient acceptance and improve your overall clinical performance in treating not only compromised sockets, but all types of fresh extraction sockets? If you have all of these questions, we have a solution for you. I am Dr. Abdelsalam Al-Askari, the founder of the Vestibular Socket Therapy, and I am conducting a VST course and a workshop at your location. I'm going to share with you only one technique to treat all types of fresh extraction sockets: placing implants immediately and restoring the missing socket walls at the same time in just 8 weeks. The VST concept is an evidence-based treatment that is published in more than 10 publications. It is a treatment concept that provides a minimal or no post-restorative recession or even scar tissue formation, thus offering your patients a supreme long-term aesthetic and functional outcome, even in the most compromised fresh sockets. Come and join us for the upcoming VST workshop at your local area. See you soon.